Hey everybody, Varun here from 𝗪𝗵𝘁𝗃𝗏. Guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a super quick short video to the point. I'm going to answer a few of the recently or frequently asked questions regarding your PT test. So I've got a few comments again and again. I've shortlisted the doubts which most of the students do have, and I'm going to address each and everything. Very first thing we have got from Raman, that can we depend on prediction file for the reading part? Raman, prediction is something you may get in the exam, you may not get. You shouldn't rely on it, but you should use it to your advantage. You should practice from it. There are around 30-40% chances that you may get something from it, but you shouldn't be relying on it because you need to prepare for the worst. Even if something difficult or out of the box comes in your test, you need to make sure you crack your test. So while you practice, don't just rely on it, but a day or 2 days before your test, go through it so that you have a good idea of what type or what kind of questions or what is the difficulty level of the questions in the test. And if you get something similar in your test, that's cherry on the cake, but you shouldn't be relying on it, but you must cover it before your test, because normally I see 30-40% repeat rate from the prediction in reading section, in your write from dictation, in your answer short questions as well. Next question is from Varsha. What's better, before or after 16th of November? I told it as soon as the changes came out. After 16th of November, before 16th of November, students are going to get 90. There won't be much changes. Yes, you'll have less time. You'll have to manage your time more carefully. You have to be very conscious about where you have to spend your time, but you don't really need to stress. You can't really control it. If you want a longer test, if you're comfortable with it, go before 16th of November. Otherwise, after 16th of November, you'll be fine. You just need to focus on the basics, get your strategies right, and manage your time properly, and you will be 100% fine. Next, we have got how do we take online coaching from you? You can just contact us, WhatsApp us on these numbers, or you can visit our website and we'll be happy to help you. Sir, what is the score we need to get study visa of Canada? See, I'm not an expert in this, but I think most of our students, especially who are studying in India, they aim for around 58, not less than 50, but still I'll post, or I'll try to make a video on this as well. This is one of the commonly asked questions because a lot of my students are there in India. They want to, they're planning to migrate to Canada. Some of them, they want to come to Australia as well. So I'll try to come up with a video on this, that what all colleges are there where you can go with your PT, because nowadays many students are going. I've got a few students who have even started their studies in Canada and they did PT, not IELTS. So yes, certainly you can get your study visa based on PT, but detailed information, I'll try to make another video on that. Sir, I have difficulty in reading. What should I be doing? Ishan Soni. See, reading is something you need to practice, right? Speaking, writing, listening will give you templates, will give you shortcuts, but reading, there's fixed answer. Yes, there are tips, strategies, and grammar rules, which we teach in the grammar sessions. Few of the grammar sessions by 𝗪𝗵𝘁𝗃 ma'am, you all know, we post on YouTube as well. Please make sure you watch each and everything. Each and everything she tells is precious, valuable, and you should be following that. Practice 20-20 reading blanks every day. Reading, writing as well. 20 reading as well. Drag and drop down both. 10 to 15 reorders. 20 read alouds, and 5 highlight incorrect words. 5 highlight correct summary as well. If you practice this for 7 to 10 days, when I say practice, don't just practice the numbers, practice to understand. If you practice and understand your mistakes, and for your reading, now we have got explanation in English and in Hindi as well on our website. So while you practice blanks, you should look for explanation and you will be 100% fine. All right. How many words do we need to write in essay? If you are a fast typer, if you're comfortable, confident, 250 to 270. If you're not confident, comfortable typing fast, write 220, but write perfect. It doesn't really matter how many words you write. It matters how accurately or perfectly you write your essay. You write 220 words, but there shouldn't be any spelling error, grammar error, and you can even score a 90. So quality is important, quantity is not that important. So what all tasks are negatively marked in PT? 3 tasks have got negative marking: listening MCQ multiple answers, reading MCQ multiple answers, and highlighting correct words. Sneha Matthew, I've got a perfect 90 with your coaching. Thank you. All the very best, Sneha. Really appreciate that you came back and left a comment. That is something keeps us going as well. Digveer Singh, sir, are the microphones in the exam center have noise cancellation? Noise cancellation, yes. All the microphones, they're very they're the best quality. I'll say they'll have noise cancellation. You don't really need to worry about it. All the students even get 90 sitting in the same exam room where you will be taking your exam. So don't stress about what you cannot control. Give your best, and microphones are perfectly fine, tried and tested. Do we need to use UK English or US? You can follow UK or US, but you cannot mix both of them in a particular task. For one task, you have to stick with one type of English. So can we write extra words in write from dictation? Yes, you can. I've tried it. That's what I always tell. Can we use Backspace? This is something which I get number of times. You can use Backspace 1000, 2000, 10,000 times. Whenever I go for the test, whenever students who, you have seen many students who even get a perfect 90, I always tell them, it's fine, it's an English test. It's not practically possible to write an essay without Backspace, right? You can use it as many times. Do we need to give one enter or press enter twice when we move from one paragraph to another? Both are fine. Basically, whenever I go for the test or my students, I just ask them to press enter once. There's no point of leaving the line in between, but even if you do so, that's fine. Computer is going to pick it up. Where is your institute? These are the address I'll share on the screen. You can visit, call, or visit our website as well. Alright, so these were the few commonly asked questions. See, I'll request all of you, I've got each and everything, highlight correct summary, or I've got one question, please make a video on highlight correct summary. I've got video on each and every topic, and now I even run out of topics, right? I have content depression sometimes, that what do I come up with now? I've got each and everything, full course, mock test, whatever you need, everything is there. You just search XYZ task language academy, you'll get it. But if you still want me to address anything, any topic, any doubt you have, do let me know in the comment section. If you think the video was helpful, do like, share and subscribe. I'm thinking to come up with a few live sessions where I can interact with all of you and clear your doubts. So let me know if you're interested. I'll try my best, and if you ever get your score watching my videos, do let me know in the comment section, or contact us on these numbers. That is something I work for, and that will keep me going on. Let me know what all videos you want me to make, so that I have something, or I know something you are struggling in, and I can help you get your desired score. Thank you. That's it from this video. If you need any help, contact us. And to practice for free, to take a free mock test with scorecard, go on 𝗪𝗺academy.com.au. And I'm working on something special. One surprise is coming for you in probably a month or a month's time, right? So wait for it, stay tuned, and that's it from this video. I'll see you very soon. Take care and stay safe.